Hi, I'm Rahul Singh, CIO Equities at Tata Mutual Fund. Every day when you step out, you witness India's progress in the form of roads and highways. You often hear about the new airports opening up and the developments in the renewable energy space. So how can one take exposure to this progress? The infrastructure sector is driven by factors such as increased capital expenditure, the construction sector uptick, and the National Infrastructure Pipeline, which has a total outlay of rupees 111 trillion over 2020 to 2025. And more importantly, the sustainable energy shift of about 500 gigawatts renewable energy by 2030, which is the target for the country as a whole. All of these factors cause a synergistic effect for further infrastructure growth. Some of the key areas of development are roads and highways, which have an allocation of rupees 2.7 trillion in the union budget, railways, which have an allocation of rupees 2.4 trillion, airports, which have 50 additional facilities announced, and renewable energy, which has aims to reach 500 gigawatt by 2030. To tap into the potential of the infrastructure sector, the Tata Nifty500 Multicap Infrastructure 50-30-20 Index Fund offers an opportunity for investors to participate in the growth story. The fund seeks to replicate Nifty 500 Multicap Infrastructure 50-30-20 Index, which consists of 75 infrastructure stocks selected from the Nifty 500 with a maximum market cap limit of 50, 30 and 20% respectively for large, mid and small cap, and a stock level limit of 10%. Invest in India's visible growth opportunities through this first of its kind, well-diversified and passive fund. Thank you.
NFO opens on 8th April 2024. NFO closes on 22nd April 2024. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.